My dearest love, I have waited for this day for 13,970 days.
And it got to a point where Aaron said, "I'm done, Mark. I'm not looking anymore. I'm not looking anymore." And I said, "Man, you know, it's in those times that God does his best work. Whenever we surrender, whenever we raise the white flag, that's whenever God does his best work." It wasn't about 2 weeks later after that moment. He called me and he said, "Mark, I want to tell you something. First off, I got a job and I love it. Second off, I met this girl and she's the one. Her name's Stephanie. And from the moment I set eyes on her, I know that I can never let her go."
This is something I've been waiting for a while. It's meant the world to our family.
Thank you.
I was to you years ago. Listen. A better time than right now.
Thank you.
For you to have it.
What are you feeling getting ready to see your bride for the first time?
I'm feeling a little nervous. I think that's to be expected. I'm mostly excited. I'm excited to finally have this day happen. It's finally here. Beautiful. Oh, I missed you. I just made me go like, okay, thanks, goodbye. Good shoe. Wow. Stunning.
We're here. I hope you know that I truly, deeply love you and that you are worthy of being loved.
Aaron, some days I never thought I'd find you. Now I know it was God's perfect timing.
I promise to do my very best to be worthy of the title husband.
From the first moment, it felt like we had known each other for a lifetime.
Even if we have bumps along the way, I know that there is no one I would rather navigate the bumps with than you. I gladly accept the responsibility of head of our new family, even as I acknowledge you are the neck that makes it. Above all else, I promise to build our family upon Christ.
Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same.
I love you, and I am so excited. I am yours, your husband, dear. Thank you, sweetie. Thank you. I love you so much.
I vow to always choose us and love you always. From Stephanie.
Yes, I am. Ready to do this thing?
Let's get it done.
Yeah.
The sprint is over, but this is not the finish line. You've now reached the starting line, but this time it isn't a race. It's a beautiful journey that I want to encourage you to take your time to travel through, to savor every high and low. And my prayer for you is that you'll realize that after today, every high will be even higher and every low a little less, because you'll have each other.
A piece of me has been with you. It's finally found its way back to me.
Aaron, I love you with every fiber of my being. I have waited for you for 34 years, and it was well worth the wait. I promise to give you the very best of myself.
I promise to keep you safe. Whether that be walking the outside of a public sidewalk or punching spiders to death with my bare hands.
I promise to trust and respect you and our family and our future.
I will lead us with joy. I love your heart, your wise counsel, and your ability to make lists of lists.
I promise to grow with you and to live in the moment and to keep our love for one another exciting and playful.
You love deeply, and I do not take for granted the great measure of love you have for me, and I will guard it fiercely in my heart.
I promise to be your partner in life, and I will love you completely. I will always choose us.
I have waited 38 years for you. I will spend the remaining years of my life loving you. My heart and soul have loved you all along, and I thank God that you're with me here tonight.
I now pronounce that they are man and wife in the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Aaron, you may kiss your bride. It gives me great pleasure to be the first to introduce you to Mr. and Mrs. Aaron and Stephanie Bratcher.